In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your Stripe account. Ensuring your account is verified is an essential step to start processing payments smoothly and securely. Let's walk through the process together so you can get your account up and running without any hassle. First, you'll want to navigate to your Stripe dashboard. Once you're there, locate the option to switch from a test account to a live account. This is typically found in the top right corner of your dashboard. Switching to a live account is crucial because it allows you to enter real business details that Stripe will use to verify your account. After switching to the live account, you'll need to fill in your business details. This includes information about your business name, address, and any other relevant data that Stripe requires. It's important to enter this information accurately to avoid any delays in the verification process. Next, you'll need to add your bank details. This step is vital because it allows Stripe to deposit your earnings directly into your bank account. Make sure the bank details you provide are correct to ensure smooth transactions. Additionally, it's a good idea to secure your account by creating a strong passkey. This will help protect your sensitive information and prevent unauthorized access. Once you've entered your business and bank details, click on the option to specify your business type. This is where you'll provide more context about the nature of your business, whether it's a sole proprietorship, partnership, or corporation. Providing this information accurately helps Stripe tailor its services to your specific needs. Another important step in the verification process is setting up automated tax collection for your sales. This feature simplifies your tax management by automatically calculating and collecting the appropriate taxes on each transaction. Make sure to configure this option according to your business requirements. Finally, once you've filled in all the necessary details, take a moment to review everything. Double-check that all the information is correct and up to date. Once you're confident that everything is in order, go ahead and submit your business details for review. Stripe will then process your verification request, and you'll be notified once your account has been successfully verified. And that's it. By following these steps, you've successfully verified your Stripe account. This process not only ensures compliance with Stripe's requirements, but also sets you up for a seamless payment processing experience. If you have any questions or encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Stripe's support for assistance. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in getting your Stripe account verified.